how long before you can heal with low carb and fasting. Kasi marami po tayong mga bagong followers of this lifestyle and many of you have medical conditions na gusto po ninyong i-reverse, gusto ninyong matutunan paano ito pagalingin in a natural way. So ang maiksing kasagutan po dyan ay depende. So depende sa number one, how long you've had the disease state, right? So for example, some of you will be coming across this lifestyle and you've already had diabetes for let's say more than a decade na. So dekada na po ang nagdaan ng inyong pagkakaroon ng diabetes or high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Certainly in cases like these, mas matagal din po syempre yung expect natin. Hindi mahihil overnight in spite of all the amazing stories na nakikita ninyo, testimonials ng mga community members natin who have healed their medical conditions sa pamamagitan ng low carb and fasting. You have to have realistic expectations na ang mga sakit na inabot na ng dekada na meron kayo will not go away in a matter of a few months. The more that you stick to the go section, so cleaner, low carb, these are whole foods, less inflammatory, the faster you will heal. Lalo pa at sinamahan natin ng fasting. But again, as I always say sa mga bagong followers, do not venture into fasting first without doing low carb. Number two, gaano nakalala yan? Ilang organ systems nang apektado niyan? The more organ systems affected, the longer it will take you to heal from that. Certain patients of mine already have not only the diabetes, they have issues with the blood pressure, they have kidney dysfunction na. But these things can all get better with the low carb. Pag nag-improve kasi yung sugar control na yan, the other things will follow. Again, remember your metabolic syndrome. So metabolic syndrome is a constellation of iba't ibang mga sintomas. It has the insulin resistant state in it. Meron siyang abdominal obesity. Meron siyang aspect about the blood pressure, the cholesterol. It takes a while, depende rin kung gaano nakalala itong mga conditions na ito, kung ilang organ systems na naapektuhan, then that will also determine how soon you can heal. And of course, yung inyong quality ng paglo-low carb, pagpa-fasting, consistent ba kayo? Are you doing it talaga na with commitment? Because of course, if you don't commit, the longer it will take you to actually reverse yung inyong mga disease states. Are you incorporating other measures? Are you looking at it holistically? Meron ka rin bang fasting on top of the low carb? Meron ka rin bang good quality sleep? Okay ba ang stress levels mo? Because these are the things that will affect your health in the long run. As I always say nga po, this lifestyle is actually a lifestyle. It's not something you do na parang diet lang tapos pag na-lose mo na yung weight na yon, you go back to the same old ways. It won't work that way. It is a lifestyle, bagong buhay. You will have to adapt it for life. And the beauty of yung lifestyle natin is very versatile, right? Nakikita nyo, sa food guide pa lang na yan, you will see that you have so many options.